Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts. And right now we'll be discussing about the differences between serif fonts and sans serif fonts. Difference between serif and sans serif generic fonts in CSS, because these are generic fonts. So serif font is the one that is having this thing after it, but if you see this first one is the sans serif. If you notice very well, the line is smooth. We are having this F and the line is smooth, no anything at the corner or whatever. But this second serif, this one is serif. The serif is having angle like that. As you can see, the angle is sharp somehow, but all this sans serif is normal. So as you can see the serif right here, red serif. As you can see, the red serif is having this red something here. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works, so you can see how they look neat anywhere you use them. So, and note one thing: on computer screens, sans serif fonts are considered easier to read than serif fonts. That is to say, this first font you are seeing right here is considered easier to read than the second one you are seeing, which is the serif. So the first one right here is the sans serif that is considered easier to read. The sans serif is considered easier to read than the serif font. The serif font is having one angle like that, but this sans serif is smooth, straight lines. So we are going to be exploring that in more deep details again. I just want you guys to note the differences between them for now. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next. Thank you.